Welcome to Hackerverse, your ultimate guide to the world of hacking and cybersecurity. I'm your host, and in today's episode, we'll be delving into a fascinating topic: social engineering. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support fuels our mission to provide you with the best hacking knowledge out there. Now let's get started. Social engineering is a powerful technique employed by hackers to manipulate people and gain unauthorized access to systems or sensitive information. It capitalizes on human psychology and exploits our innate tendencies to trust and help others. In the realm of hacking, social engineering is like the art of persuasion. It involves techniques such as phishing emails, pretexting, baiting, and impersonation. Attackers use these tactics to trick individuals into revealing confidential data, clicking on malicious links, or unknowingly granting access to secure systems. One common example of social engineering is phishing. Hackers craft convincing emails that appear to be from reputable sources, like banks or online services, and prompt recipients to disclose personal information or login credentials. By mimicking the look and feel of legitimate communication, they deceive unsuspecting victims into divulging sensitive data. Pretexting is another social engineering technique where an attacker creates a fictional scenario or persona to gain someone's trust. They might pose as a coworker, IT technician, or even a law enforcement officer to extract sensitive information or convince the victim to take specific actions. That wraps up our exploration of social engineering here on Hackerverse. We hope this glimpse into the world of psychological manipulation has been informative and eye-opening. If you found this video valuable, remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. By subscribing, you'll join our community of fellow hackers and cybersecurity enthusiasts. If there are any other topics you'd like us to cover, or if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers, and your feedback helps us improve our content. Thank you for being a part of the Hackerverse family. Together, let's continue to expand our knowledge, strengthen our defenses, and ensure a safer digital space for everyone. Until next time, happy hacking.